Yeah, that's my first time, and I think you brought it to the essence of the need they have, right? People are meeting each other. There are round tables where are very efficient. You switch the tables and you discuss the topics that are very interesting for you. There is nothing else that you need. You have some nice key speakers there that are giving some vision of their organizations, some small organizations, some huge organizations. It is really great to see them on the stage sharing their experience, also some vendors sharing their experience. It's very interesting to see that, and I think it's well-designed concept for that meeting, for that kind of conference.
What was incredible about today was the roundtables generated unique conversations with individuals from industries who would never normally interact with each other. They're all at different stages of maturity with unique challenges that are keeping them really up at night. And those challenges, this was a great forum. It was almost like therapy for them to vocalize those challenges in a non-judging environment where they weren't on the line in an executive situation, where they could actually just lay it all out and actually see from others and peers, get viewpoints on how to think about tackling that and actually take away from the discussion, not just having voiced it for maybe the first time in an environment they felt safe, but also a thought process about what they can do next. So there was a lot of growth, a lot of sharing, and it's just the perfect environment for people at very different stages in their service journey to actually then accelerate what they want to do next.
Oh, I liked it very much. And again, it is, sometimes it feels like a homecoming. It is what I really value very much in these conversations, because it's very intimate, it is engaging, it is conversing with the customers. So apart from being inspirational, it's also really touching and communicating with the customers. And that is just that, giving that extra bite to having these conversations and being at this event.
First of all, I think it's extremely professional, and the discussions that we have addresses some of the more tangible challenges that we see in the service industry. And those discussions, I think, is something that the participants can take away and apply within their organizations.
Today's session was also kind of for us as a supplier somehow spoken. It was very intensive in the discussions, bringing the people to that external excellence idea. And again, finding out that there is so much outside which we didn't recognize what different service streams are there. So there we learn a lot about these podiums we have here.
I would say really, really, really good. It exceeded my expectations. That's always really positive, of course. And I was, on that note, actually also positively surprised on, I would say widely there is alignment amongst the group here on where Aftermarket is going. Also, that Aftermarket is growing. It's becoming a self-sustainable business within the different companies, which to me actually underlines also what I personally believe, that it deserves its own life, basically. So, yeah.
It's improving more and more, especially the people and the interaction and the trust that they have. And the dynamic of this kind of workshop and a meeting, I really liked it. It's not like a one-way communication. It's the whole dynamic is totally different from other workshops that I have attending or meetings. It's more brainstorming more than preaching or like one-way communication, which is really highly appreciated. And thank you and thanks for the team.
Overall impression really, really positive. As always with these events, it's a very good number of people, having 50 service leaders in a room. The agenda's great, good balance between keynotes and sharing knowledge and some really valuable discussions among the group. It's always good to understand that despite the fact we work in different markets, different companies, in service we share many of the same challenges. So to share experience is reassuring, and to share knowledge is very productive.
Yeah, but as I mentioned, it's a lot of experience collected in the same event. I liked both the presentations and combinations with the presentations and the round table or square table interaction. Yeah, we are in Germany.
Oh, it's been brilliant. It's been really good to get insights from different organizations, where they are right now, and especially what their future is going to look like, and what steps they are taking towards that. future.
It was a lot of impressions, and it was fun for me to give an overview about AI, the future of service, and robotics, and so on, what we plan in our company. And it was a great honor to be here.
Yeah, to review it, it was really a good event. That was afterwards, after the presentations, a lot one-by-ones to discuss more in detail about it and have a really good exchange and get a lot of new ideas and inspirations.